Hi everybody, it's Kristina from Kristina's Crafts, and today I am going to be updating this home sign that I got at Dollar Tree. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take this wreath off of here, and then I am going to try to get the glue off of here. I'm going to try to pull it off, but if it doesn't scrape off easy, I'm probably just going to get my heat gun and get it off of there. Okay, I got as much glue off of there as I could. It's kind of a pain in the butt, and I don't know that it really needs to come off because I'm actually going to be covering that H again. So I'm going to take this Waverly white chalk paint, and I am going to paint my whole sign. So I'm going to paint all over that. I'm going to repaint this. I'm going to get on the inside of all these letters and all around here. I'm probably going to paint the back too. I don't think that it needs to be painted, but I'm just going to do it anyway. So, okay, my home sign is all painted. Then I have this burlap ribbon from Dollar Tree, and this I am actually going to hot glue onto the front of my home sign. I'm just going to measure out, I think I'm going to keep it all about the same, the ones that are going down. I don't think I want to cut the little circles. I just kind of want to leave those whole. So I think the first one and like this one and this one, they're all going to be the same size. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 little holes here. So let me see if I can get a good camera view with this because it'll be easier for me to work with it down. I'm just going to take some hot glue, and I am going to glue it right to my sign. Just a little bit. Don't over put the hot glue on there. There goes my hot glue gun again. One of these days I'm going to get a decent hot glue gun. Alright, then just a little bit. What I really want is a cordless one. I've been looking, but I just haven't committed. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go around and I'm going to take the little circles, cut them out, and I'm going to put them on my letters. Like so. I am going to skip over the O because I'm doing something different with the O, so I'm not going to put it on there. Okay, I have the M done, and now I am going to start working on my E. The M was a little bit weird. I ended up having to cross it underneath each other because it comes into a V, but I think it still looks pretty good. So alright, I am going to get my E finished up. Okay, I have it all done. The E got a little weird here. It was kind of hard to keep it straight, so I had to double up and go over on a couple of them, but I think it still looks pretty good. Then I have these flowers that I got from Dollar Tree, and I'm actually going to cut these, I think. Oh, maybe I can just pull them off. Oh, hit the camera. Those are stuck on there really good. Okay. And then what I want to do is I am going to take these and put these around my home, my O here. Snipping off these ends right here of both of them. Okay, I'm going to try to get this up here. I should have brought something, excuse my reach, to put on here. There we go, maybe that. Turn a little bit. Cameras, it's hard. It's hard to get good angles, I'm telling you. Alright, okay, and then I am going to go ahead and put the big end over on this side, and then put that up, going up that way. Okay, I have that all glued on, and this is actually it for my project. That's all I'm doing. I think it looks really cute just the way it is. So this is the end of my tutorial. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you subscribe to my channel. Hit the little bell so you get notified when I upload. And thanks. Take care. Bye.